Hi, I'm Chelly Wood. You might know me from chellywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple t-shirt to fit 6.5 inch or 17 centimeter dolls like the Breyer Rider dolls. If you'd like to know more about the Breyer company, there is a link to the website in the description below. But before we begin, please go to chellywood.com to download this free printable PDF pattern. Use the pattern to cut out the t-shirt. I recommend using a jersey fabric for this project. Fold one sleeve. My thumb is on the sleeve. Normally we do a double fold hem, but for this project, fold it only one time. And we're going to use, instead of the whip stitch, just a straight stitch. Keep your stitches very small. Hem both sleeves this way. Flip the garment over. So now you're looking at the finished side of the sleeves. Fold one side of the shirt so that the shirt back is against the shirt front, like you see here. So what we're doing is, if this were a printed fabric, we are putting the right sides together. That means the pretty side of the fabric is touching the pretty side of the fabric. Keep those right sides together for printed fabrics. Stitch from the edge of the sleeves hem to the underarm area, and then make a little corner and stitch from the underarm area down to the bottom of the bodice. After you tie a knot, you're going to fold the shirt's other half just like you did before, exactly like it was, where you would put right sides together if it were a printed fabric. That way I'm looking at the inside of the hem, I guess. Stitch along this side seam like you did before. Now, do you see where the fabric curls at the back closure? We're going to create a double fold hem along the outside edges. So that means you're going to take your fabric and very tiny do one fold and then a second fold. You want these really small because this is a 6-inch doll. Now I like to insert my needle into the hem to start so that it buries the knot inside the folds of fabric. I use a whip stitch here. There's a link to a whip stitch video in the description. When you get to a corner, you're going to turn and continue with the double fold hem. So here's my corner, and you can see how I've turned. And then I'm going to continue the double fold hem along all of the edges of the outside of the garment. When you've finished hemming, invert the garment. It can help to use a chopstick if you need it to get those sleeves inverted. Add snaps at the back of your shirt. Okay, let's try it on a doll. For more free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, remember to visit my website, chellywood.com. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please tell your friends about my website, where you can find free patterns for doll clothes like this dress. Goodbye.